How to back up and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. So if you want to back up and restore WhatsApp messages on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your WhatsApp application. Go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon, and tap on Settings. Now under Settings, you need to scroll down and go with the Chats option. Under Chats, you need to scroll down again and go with the Chat Backup. Once you tap on Chat Backup, you need to again go with the Backup option and then start the Chat Backup. But make sure that you've selected the right Google account and make sure that you've included videos and your images if you have the images option. And after that, tap on backup and it will start the backup. You can also back up to your Google Drive. So just go and start the backup and it will start the backup. And if you try to log into your account on the other device or on a new device, then it will have all of the chats and all of the photos and videos and everything on your new device as well. But before logging in to your new device, make sure that you've selected the option of Restore Chat. If you tap on Restore, then only you will have all of the chats that you had on your old device. So that's how you can back up and restore WhatsApp messages on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.